How do homeschoolers do practical at home? Vikalp Online School helps homeschoolers to set up a STEM lab at their home. These STEM labs are not only for homeschoolers appearing for board examinations, it's for students of each class starting from nursery to grade 12. Homeschoolers create a family-friendly STEM lab at their home. Vikalp delivers resources for the lab. Homeschoolers arrange and keep all STEM resources in one corner. Vikalp facilitators conduct the practical classes. Homeschoolers learn mathematical concepts by doing. Homeschoolers conduct experiments and learn chemistry concepts. Homeschoolers apply laws of physics in lab. Homeschoolers learn system engineering by building robots. Homeschoolers do lot more in the STEM lab. Vikalp facilitators support in every step of the learning process, from the initial setup to continuous learning and improvement. Join Vikalp Online School.